Hello, I am Dr. Prashant Acharya, Medical Director of Ayurveda Health Center called Earth Ayurveda, practicing Ayurveda since 20 years. First, let's understand what is suntan. Suntan, the tanning of the skin due to the rays of the sun. Do we really mean that only when it is a hot sunny day it tans? Not necessary. Yes, it tans when you expose your skin directly to the sunlight when it is hot outside. Secondly, sometime when you go to the seashores, we think that we are in water, so we are safe. Can you believe it? It is double suntan because there is a sun directly falling on our skin, and at the same time the sun rays reflected from the sea water, sea surface. So it's double suntan. Thirdly, some people even do tell us, "Sir, I got so much tanned, but I was not in hot sun at all. I was in Kashmir. I was in between the snow." But for your kind information, in snow the tanning is triple, because the clear white surface of the snow reflects the sunlight, enhances the tanning. So it is triple tanning. Now we understood how does the tanning happens. But how tanning is seen? Tanning is seen as dark patches or like a dead skin on the skin, on the facial skin, hand, back, arms. Yeah. Now there are various ways of and means of removing the tan. Some are natural, some are chemical. But now I'll deal with some of the herbs which can remove tanning. The simplest of the simplest combination that can remove the tanning is your own kitchen medicine called curd or cream. Milk, the cream of the milk, which is applied on the skin repeatedly, can remove the skin tan. Secondly, one more kitchen thing is that the castor oil can be applied warm and applied overnight. In the morning, you can apply the paste of fenugreek seed. That is, you can soak the fenugreek seed overnight. Make a nice paste of it in the morning, apply it on the face, leave it for a couple of minutes, maybe about 45 to 50 minutes, sometime even 1 hour, and once it is peeled out or washed out, the skin tan can be removed. Apart from that, there are many herbs that can remove tanning, like manjishta is the herb, and there is samudra fena what is available, which can be used as a pack. Simple multani mitti is mud, that also can be used to remove the tan. There are many a times we can make use of herbs like eshti madhu, manjishta, samudra fena, along with the base of multani mitti, and then applied as a pack repeatedly can remove the suntan. Of course, not only in suntan, many types of tans due to various reasons can be removed from these herbs.